Hello guys and welcome. So let me show you DeployPress, the latest plugin I created, and it will help you to connect to WordPress sites and to deploy and also to pull posts or any custom post types, pages, products, and sync them between multiple sites. So let me show you how it will work. DeployPress is linked in this video description, so you will find the link there. Also, let me show you how this will work. So basically I have here a testing site on localhost and my other site from where I will be pulling and where I will be pushing my posts. So I will be deploying here on this testing site. So note that this site does not have posts, and also my local testing site has some few posts. So yeah, I have a trash post. Let me delete this also. Okay, so first we need to set up credentials here. Before anything, enter the target URL. So I have WordPress installed in this exact folder. So if you don't have WordPress installed in a folder, enter the URL of your site directly. Enter the username you want to use and your password. Be sure to enter these fields correctly. Click Save Connection. And if everything is entered correctly, you should see DeployPress authenticated successfully. You can test connection afterwards. After a couple of days, maybe you want to test if connection works, you can click this button and connection successful will appear. Okay, so now let's go to our posts here, and here we will have multiple options. So some options are to select posts and to deploy them to the remote site. So for this we can go to deploy content, and here we will be able to manage our manually deployed content. So we can bulk deploy our posts. So for example, let's select post types and let's filter them. We can also filter by status or by deployment state. And here let's say I want to deploy these two posts, and select them and simply click deploy selected. Deploying, and now we will see the result as both posts are now deployed. Let's go to our testing site here, and here it is. I'm a new post and getting started. This has categories, tags, and also you will see it has a featured image. Both will be deployed. So deployment will work with full title, content, tags, featured image, categories, everything from custom fields to other stuff will be deployed. Also, if you go into a single post, you will see that we have also a Gutenberg integration. So for example, for this specific post, if I move myself out of the way here, then we will see here push to target site and pull from target. So pull is currently deactivated because we need to activate the extension of DeployPress, which is already in the plugin. It is part of it. You just need to activate the extension. So go to extensions, and here you will see lots and lots of extensions, and search for the extension which pulls the content. So for this, search for Elementor ADD, comments, bulk action, autosync, auto publish, content pulling. So this is the extension we need. However, let's activate all and see what happens. So after we activated the extensions, the plugin will start telling us that hey, we don't have the advanced custom fields plugin, we don't have EDD, we don't have Elementor, and we don't have Bevel Builder active, so this will not work because of this. However, the rest of these extensions will work out of the box. Okay, now let's go back to our post and let's see how the pooling will work. So for example, we have this I am a new post, and if we push this to target, we will see that the target WordPress site got this I am a new post WordPress post. So let's edit it. Let's add an exclamation mark here and here, and also let's push it after we edit. So after this is saved on our local testing site, let's push to our remote WordPress site, and we should see the exclamation mark appear after we refresh here. So here it is. Also, interesting part is that if we edit this, so let's edit this, let's save, and we also have the pull extension, which already recognized the post we want to pull, and simply click pull from target. Okay, so note that also you will need to enable the extension, the pulling extension on the target. So after we done this, don't forget to do this also, pull and pull selected. After this, you will be completing the pulling request, and we will see the question mark appear also. So we have this post edited here, and because we pulled it back from our target site to our original localhost testing post, we updated also our content. So this is it. We can push and pull posts manually, automatically, using the deploy content. So you can see here that all are deployed, all appear as deployed. We can bulk select here by post types. We can manually deploy or bulk deploy them. We have also the connection settings, which lists last successful connection. We have also some logs which show, so this was failed because we did not have the other extension plugin activated. So the pulling plugin was not active on our target site. And also we have settings. So in our settings, we can check strict mode if we want the source and target plugin versions to be the same. Match mode, how to check if post is already deployed on target site by title, slug, or both. Allowed roles which use the plugin. Remove data on uninstall. Debug mode, this is not needed, only for this only needed if you debug a problem. And HTTP authentication, username and password. Here are all the extensions. So you will see that we have EDD extension, DV, custom post type, comment, pulling and pushing, bulk actions, beaver builder, auto sync, and auto publish. These two extensions, if are enabled, when these are enabled, if you publish a new post on your site, it will be automatically deployed on the target site. And also auto sync, if you save a post on your site, it will be automatically published also on the target site and it will be deployed there. Author deployment, advanced custom fields, the content pooling which I showed you, and Elementor, Genesis settings, Gutenberg blocks, HTTP out, menus, and WooCommerce. So we can pull and push also menus from here. This is an example because the menus will have also the pulling and pushing availability. And so this is a major plugin. We can check also tools to not forget about it, because here we can see some settings and some stuff that might be useful, especially for connection debugging. Okay, so this is DeployPress. Go ahead guys and check it. It is linked in this video description. You will see that it is able to connect to WordPress sites. So if you have a staging site and the main site, this will work out of the box really great. And as you can see, it has quite some extensions which come free included in the plugin. Go ahead guys and check it. And DeployPress, here it is. So thanks for watching. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, really appreciated. Bye bye.